Hi guys, in this video we will be understanding resource development, the classification of resources and stock resource evaluation, followed by an exam style question.
The first thing we're going to look at in relation to resource security is resource development. And a resource is defined as any aspect of the natural environment that can be used to meet human needs, as they are useful and necessary natural resources such as fossil fuels or even things like fresh water are also materials and are a source of wealth. So energy resources are essentially really important, not just for meeting our human needs, but also human and economic reasons as well. And this is because resources tend to have great economic value, and they can also be used to improve a country's economic wealth and their development as well. So resources, which are typically fuels that we use to provide energy, are unevenly distributed across the world. So some nations have an abundance of certain resources, such as Saudi Arabia having 25% of the Earth's oil reserves. So Saudi Arabia is classed as an oil-rich country, whereas some other countries might not have any resources at all. And therefore, there is a great problem in making sure that everyone has enough of each type of energy and has enough energy to provide for their country. So, for example, Saudi Arabia has lots of oil, but they also have an issue with a scarcity of water supplies. So it has a greater issue ensuring water security rather than energy security. And this is why different countries will trade resources in order to make sure they have everything they need. Then we come to resource security. And resource security is usually determined at a national level, although it can be applied as a global concept as well. And it refers to the ability of a country to safeguard a reliable and sustainable flow of resources to maintain the living standards of their population. So essentially to make sure that living standards are of good quality, enough for people to live good lives. And resource security relies on a country being able to develop necessary resources from its own physical environment, and also to gain them and access them through trade or from a trading partner. And this will provide their populations with...
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.